In crowded city parks, a young otter watches the river of memories flood the absence of a vanished parent, learning to breathe. A loyal service dog waits by the doorway each night, sensing the owner's absence as if the home had exhaled. Stray cats and rescued birds narrate the ache of being left behind, adapting with cautious trust and hopeful routines. A mother bear mourns a cub lost to a hunter, finding resilience in quiet rituals and renewed curiosity. Together, these stories show grief can birth new bonds and quiet courage that light the path forward.